Assalamu alaikum students. I am science teacher, Daria Come School, Golramore. Today we are going to study unit number 1, the human body. Cells. Like all living things, the human body is made up of cells. Cells are the smallest building units of living things. We have bone cells, muscle cells, heart cells, blood cells, and so on. Bones are made up of living cells. So friends, living things are made up of cells. As you know that living things include plants, animals, insects, birds, fishes, all the things which are living. So the unit of living things is cells. The human body is also made up of the cells, and you know that cell is the basic unit of living things. And there are many types of cells: muscle cells, heart cells, blood cells, and bone cells. Bone is also a type of living cells. So these are the examples of different types of cells. This is the nerve cells by which your brain is made up of. These are the blood cells which are present in the blood. These are called red blood cells. This is the bone, and this is showing that bone is made up of cells, and these are the cells which are known as the epithelial cells. These cells are made, the skin is made up of epithelial cells. Now next page. Cells group together to form the tissues. Now they are not talking about the tissue by which you clean your hands or face. These are special types of the tissues. These are formed by grouping together the same cells, the cells of same size and shape. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. So a tissue is specific to its job. It means that once a job is assigned to a tissue, it will do the same job. It will not do any other job. Tissues can be muscular, connective, nervous, or epithelial. Bone is a connective tissue. Here are showing some different types of tissues like nervous tissue. The brain is made up of, the tissue is known as the nervous tissue. These the cells of a brain are known as the nerve cells. Nerve cells group together and they form a tissue which is known as the nervous tissue. Here muscle tissue. Muscle tissue means this is the heart. Heart is a muscular tissue. Okay. The heart is made up of the cells which are known as the cardiac cells, and cardiac cells group together and they form the muscle known as the cardiac muscle. Here skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle means which are joined directly to the skeleton. As you know that your body is made up of bones, framework of bones, and that framework is known as the skeleton. So the muscles which are attached directly to the skeleton are known as the skeletal muscles. Now next type of muscle tissue is the smooth muscles. Next, here is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, as I have told you earlier, that it is that our skin is made up of epithelial tissue, or epidermis means outermost layer of the skin. The outermost layer of the skin is known as the epidermis, which you see, that is the epidermis, lining of digestive tract organs. And the digestive tract, the organs which are tubular organ, the lining of the tubular organ is known as the is formed of the epithelial tissue. Then connective tissue. Connective tissue, as the name indicates, that it is a type of the tissue which provides the connection in the body. So I have told you earlier that bone is a connective tissue, and you know that your body is made up of skeleton. So bones join together and they form the skeleton. So it is providing the connection. Moreover, the other examples of connective tissue are fats and other soft padding tissue, bone and tendons. Now here, come to the table. The function of different tissue types. Types of tissue. Number 1, muscular tissue. What? Muscular tissue. What is the function of this tissue? Brings about movement. By the help of the muscular tissue, we move. Movement, we show movement. Walking, doing work, writing. These are all movements. Okay? Because these muscles, these tissues are attached to the bones. Connective tissue. Connective tissue. What is the function of the connective tissue? It gives shape to organs and holds them in place. Next, nervous tissue. Sends signals to and from the brain. It means nervous tissue. What is the function of the nervous tissue? Its function that it tells about our environment, what is going on in our environment, and every work we do, every activity which we do, it is under the control of our nervous tissue or a nervous system or the brain. Then comes the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers some part of the body. It covers the parts of our body.